Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Childersberg local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the best cheap Childersberg moving company means you need 3 Movers. Our team of local and long-distance movers can help make your move so much easier. We provide the right services to give you a basic move or a full-service move. No matter what you need to move, we can help. Our long-distance moving services give you everything you need with options such as packing services. You don't need to waste your time packing or unpacking. Let us do it for you. Moving supplies. We use only the best moving supplies and materials. If you plan to do the packing, we can supply you with everything you need. An on-time move. Our movers show up at the scheduled time ready to go to work for you on moving day. Upfront pricing. A free moving quote from us gives you the transparent and accurate price you need. Licensed and insured. We keep your belongings fully protected with licensed and insured movers. The right team of movers will make your relocation simple. It's already hard enough to uproot your entire life and move it a few states over. With our help, the actual moving process can be simplified. Hiring an Alabama moving company means you get a team ready to help you with your local move. The right local movers will ensure you get where you need to go fast. Professional movers also help to make sure your things are fully protected. With 3 Movers, you get the right team for your specific need. We streamline the moving process, no matter how large or small your move is and how far you need to go. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Childersberg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.